So a little piece of new equipment fun. I actually somehow ended up not recording the entire first take. Yeah, that's awesome. You'll have to forgive me. I'm like totally sick right now. But hopefully if this is working right, you can actually hear me really well because I got a mic and, you know, doing my thing. And I've got a beautiful camera and we'll be able to align them and it'll just, hopefully it'll work. So right now we are here in Costa Rica. It is so beautiful here. Like, we have actually seen crocodiles on a couple of occasions. This area actually has, they're called American crocodiles. And the other thing that's been amazing that we've seen frequently is we have seen red macaws. Oh, I had to check. There might have been one. But yeah, we've actually seen scarlet macaws flying here in the wild, usually in pairs, although I've actually seen 3 of them flying together. They're one of the kinds of birds that actually mate for life, so when we're seeing them in pairs, that's actually a mated couple. But we've seen them in groups as many, I'd have to say, as 6 or 8, and they're really loud. So even when we can't see them, we can hear them, and I'm usually looking around going, I hear you, where are you hiding? But it's, yeah, it's being a really interesting adventure. We've gotten sick like twice in a couple of few days, like a week. And I had pink eye, and now then she got a cold, and now I have a cold, and whew, it's being something else. But you know, if we're not going to be feeling good, at least we've got this for a view, you know. All right, I'm going to wrap up this test and see how it worked. Bye.